What if you die today? What if you die today? This one I tell you now, they be like play. Anytime person tell you say you go die, you go dey be like God forbid, it not be me, it's not my portion. But at the end of the day, you know they different from people when they die. You are not a special person. For life to happen, there must be death. And this thing, one day you go die. The reason why they tell you all these things is for you to prepare for life. Prepare for life. Develop the sense of urgency. Anything you feel do now, do it now. Not wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow is not promised. Tomorrow is not promised. And they say a lot of people, they waste life opportunity because they believe or say, tomorrow they are go do one. You dey pray for long life, but you forget say a fulfilled life is better than a long life. You know how many people dey in their 90s who they live miserable life, they wish if they don't die. A fulfilled life is better than long life. A life of purpose and a life of destiny. Jesus Christ lived for just 30 something years, but at the end of the day, he lived a fulfilled life. As he come this world, the purpose we carry come, live am. That's the most important thing in life. So every day when you wake up, develop a sense of urgency. Do the things what you supposed to do, because life not dey wait for you. December 8th, I lost my mom. If they tell me say my mom go die December 8th, I not go believe. Even if they tell my mom say she go die that day, she not go believe. That day when me and Sabino shoot our video, that day my mom died. He not even know this thing that they tell you now. He not know. 3 days to when me and Sabino shoot that video, I get event for Benin. And brother Mike house a day. When I dey leave my house, I give my mom money because the Sunday, because now Friday I take go Benin. The Sunday of that week, my mama supposed to be share lady. Now she be share lady for their harvest for their church, for their year end of year harvest for church now. Now she be share lady for there. I give her money which she want to support for that as the share lady. She buy clothes where she go use where for the share lady position where they give her for church. I still give her money. We talk, we laugh, nothing to my mama. I come out, I leave house. Travel go Benin, go event for there. You understand what they tell you? My mama wake up for that Sunday. That on Sunday, she still dress, go church to become share lady. As the share lady of the church. I drive. We pass. You know, say there's no direct flight from Benin to Port Harcourt. So I use road. They go Miss Sabinos. I know say my community go the federal road there. You will pass my community. They go from Benin. You will pass my community for Delta State. They go Port Harcourt. We pass our place there. We pass our community. I enter Bayelsa. Pass Bayelsa. Enter Port Harcourt. As I just enter Port Harcourt, they come and say my mama don't die. I swear to God, say she collapsed for church. They call Russian. Before they Russian reach hospital, she don't die. That day we are Sabino shoot that video, my mama died that day. But you know, even know all my strength now gather together to take shoot that video. Because when I go, my elder brother call me. He tell me, I tell him, say, see where they go. He tell me, say, make I just go do it. So what happen? Already happen. Say, this life where they live, for you to enjoy pleasure, there must be pain. Life now both positivity and negativity. And what they pay me for many of them, be say you only want good things to happen in your life. Life is not designed for good things to happen all the time. Bad things will happen for your life. And you need to embrace all these things. They use them as fuel to push yourself to the next level. Your loved ones go die. If you wake up tomorrow and say that person will be saying they put all your hope, it don't leave you. Now so life just that's the purpose of life. Life is designed for people to go and for people to come. Now so it just be. Embrace all these things. You know, understand? For you to enjoy pleasure, there must be pain. Life is a mixture of good and bad, positivity and negativity. Now, why develop a sense of urgency? A life of purpose is better than a long life. A life of purpose, say you come this world, you live your purpose, the destiny where carry you live am. Even if you live for just 50 years, even if you live for just 30 years, but as long as say the purpose of you coming to this world you achieve am, it's better than we live 100 years in regret. That's life for you. So I don't really know, this video not today long. They call me Geh Geh, best financial coach in Africa. Write my name in capital letter and wish my mom RIP on the comment section. Life goes on. You know, understand? So not let anybody threaten you with death. You need to live above all these things mentally and emotionally. They want to trap you. They won't use that thing. Religion, they use them. People will get power, they use them. They won't take your life, all those things. They won't use that death of something and they trap you for a particular place. Live beyond all those things mentally and emotionally. As I say, I'm not afraid of death. Now, why is it every day when you see me, You feel say everything I dey do, I no sabi do am. But it's just I must still do am. In the process, I go learn. Because I don't understand, say, everybody go die. Everybody go die. If you wake up tomorrow and say you not see me again. Because na so life be. Even the person wey dey threaten you with death, one day sef him go still die. The difference is maybe you first and go, but him he go still go. No let anybody trap you with all these things. Religion. People wey dey in power. People wey dey in power, they wan trap you. Live mentally, develop a strong mentality and emotion wey go help you live above all these things. When you wake up every day, do the things you are supposed to do, knowing that tomorrow is not promised. A sense of urgency. What if I die today? What if I not get the chance? So as you dey live life, you dey make living for yourself. Make sure say you dey enjoy the process. Not forget to enjoy life. Why you dey struggle? You dey make money, you dey gather, dey keep. Dey enjoy the life. Dey enjoy the process. Because the life, I tell my friend one day, say, one special life not there apart from this one you don't dey live again. Not feel say that when you buy car, you go dey enjoy life. Or when you don't later build that house where you want, that time you want to enjoy life. No. Now the life you don't dey live already. So now this moment be the life. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow never comes. So now today be the life. This is the life you are living. This is what we call life. Somebody feels okay, man. Now when that car come, when that car don't come, now that time I go enjoy life. You go that car fit come say me not even give you that joy, that fulfilled life where you dey want for. It's a process. Now the life be this. As you dey plan for beautiful things to come, not forget to enjoy the ones we already labor for. Because tomorrow is not promised. You don't understand? Not let them threaten you with death. Live above that thing, because at the end of the day, whether you like them or not, one day you are going to leave this world for other people to continue. That's so life just be. One love, Geh Geh.
Previously on Geh Geh University.
It dey right for man to marry girl at the age of 30 years or 30 years above without job. You don't get to work, you don't get anything she dey do. Go their house, they expect one man to come marry him. It dey right.
Woman wey dey 30 years and above and she never marry, na red flag. And as a man, whether she even get money or maybe she even get hard work wey she dey do, it's not even advisable for you to settle down with woman wey dey 30 years. Ask yourself, say, when this person dey in her prime? Because woman wey dey 30 years don't come out from market. Woman prime, they start from all 18, 19 to 25 years.
That means now any girl wey no reach 30 years, now no husband for her.
No, not marry. Except say you now, you dey all those in your, maybe you dey in your 50s, you dey in your 60s.
Okay.
But for a boy like me now, this year now, I'll be 31 years now. By May, I will complete 31 years.
Okay.
So imagine me now, the married woman of 30. Which happen to girls of 18, 19, 20. Any girl where they do all this POS, if you they work for filling station, what you they do now, hotel work they do, as all these ones, they are not in my category. And me not go feel settled down with this type of girl. If me, they do that work and that get there in my level.
Like and subscribe.